Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to add My AI on Snapchat. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, what we're going to do is to go to your web browser and then search for Snapchat support. So now right here, you can see the question, how do I access my AI on Snapchat? So for example, my AI is not available for you now. Just wait. It will be available on you soon. Or you can try to log out and then log in to your account. Or you can try also to update your Snapchat app to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. And that's it. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.